welcome to my channel. This is me Farzana from Beauties by Farzana. If you are a new subscriber, then welcome to my channel. This is me Farzana, and if you are a old subscriber, then thank you so much for your love and support and your response, guys. You are the best. For the daytime look, I prefer a light coverage foundation routine. So whatever you are using, it doesn't matter that you have to wear makeup. You just can take care of your skin really well, clean your skin really, but make sure you protect your skin from the sun. So for the sunscreen, I used Lotus sunscreen today, but I have another option for you, because we are gonna out for the day and sunscreen should be used after 2 to 3 hours. So here is another option for you. This is a bit expensive. This is the L'Oreal face mist and sunscreen. This has SPF 15 plus. In our country, in this humidity, we need 30 plus to 50 plus sunscreen. Of course, this is 2-in-1 product, and I really like this one. And you can carry this bottle in your purse. Spray system, you just have to open this cover and just shake it really well, and then have to spray, not spray more than 3 seconds. Yeah, and all the directions are written here. After 2 to 3 hours, you can just spray this and wait for 4 or 5 seconds. Then it will soak into your skin, and then you can just powder your face, or you can just leave it as it is. But after using this, I face a problem that my skin looks very shiny, that I don't like. I like matte finish. So after this, I use a powder, and that's it for me. Today I'm going to show you this makeup tutorial, and this is for Pohela Boishakh. Pohela Boishakh is a Bengali traditional festival. For this kind of traditional look, lots of you are prefer red, gold and black kind of combination, but I personally don't like that combination for the Boishakh day. So I'm someone who is a different taste from another people. I am doing something different. I make up look this kind of hello smoky kind of bluish look. So if you wanna know how I did this, then please keep on watching. First thing first, in this summer season, you have to tone your skin very well. So for the toning, I am using an ice cube. After washing my face with my favorite face wash that I can't live without, I am using an ice cube. And I'm rubbing this all over my face, so it will minimize my pores. So I'm done with this, and I'm going to let the water be. With the cotton pad, I am applying rose water as toner. Then for moisturizer, using clear aloe vera gel. In the summer days, you can do this every day. This is the Lotus sunscreen I am using today. This is a matte sunscreen best for oily skin. It's lip gel time. For this, I am using Mary lip gel. This has SPF in it. I did my brows off camera, so if you wanna know how I do my brows normally, then you can click right up here and you can see the brow tutorial. For control my excess oil, I am spraying the Makeup Revolution oil control setting spray. For filling and hiding my pores, I am using a budget-friendly primer, that is L'Oreal Base Magique Smooth Primer. So I'm taking a small amount of this primer. It will fill my pores and blur my pores at the same time, and leave a smooth surface for my foundation. I just like to work the primer in a clock motion and anti-clock motion, and then take my fingers and apply pressure onto my skin. I'm going to use Naras corrector in the shade 4. Today I'm using this color. This is a little bit darker for my skin, and this is the perfect shade for me to hide the pigmentation area. And I'm going to take this with my fingers and slightly dab on my skin. Now I'm using Lakme Absolute Mousse foundation. This is the shade Rose Pear. This is a pink undertone foundation but matches my skin so perfectly. I'm wondering because I'm on the neutral skin tone people. For highlighting high points of my face, using Maybelline Insta Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. You will need a tiny bit. With Collection's loose powder, I'm setting the concealed area and then moving on to my eye makeup. For eye makeup today, I'm going to just use this palette. Excuse the dirt. So I just broke this off. This is how the palette looks like. I'm taking this shade as transition color. Taking this brown color and I am defining my crease line. Taking this deep blue color and with the help of a pencil brush, I am applying this in my inner corners and outer corners. Now I'm tapping the excess from with that clean brush. I'm going to blend it. For a brighter effect to the inner corners, I'm going to use this shade. With this, I'm just gentle touching the eyeshadow and just dust off the excess and just apply on the top of that color and slowly build up the color. Then dusting off any other excess and clean the brush in a clean paper and going to blend it again. To enhance the color more, I'm using this deep color. I'm just using this on the middle of the parts. Again, dusting off the excess and clean the brush and blend everything. Now I'm taking this silver color and with my fingertips I'm going to apply this on my middle part of my eyes. Now with the shimmery shade, blending the previous shade. With the pencil brush I am taking previous matte shades and blending up the color. So I'm done with the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone inner corner and going to apply eyeliner mascara, and I'm done, and going off camera and do my another eye and come back later. Taking this bottle green color and with the same pencil brush going to blend the color in the lower lash line, then apply some kohl, then with the angle brush taking the same shade and smudge the kohl again. Do not do this to your mascara, then here enter to the mascara and it dries first. Starting my rest of the face makeup, take a big powder brush. This is the Zoeva powder brush. Starting with contouring, and for contouring I am using this Revelation palette, Ultra Fair C01. For blush I am using Techniques blush palette. Now going to use Makeup Revolutions highlighter. This is a buildable highlighter. Now I'm going to spray the same setting spray again and change my dress and come back. Lining and filling my lips with Covergirl Lip Pencil in the shade Natural. Take a second and click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever I upload something new you will be notified. If you like this video, do like, share and comment down below. Your comments are always appreciated. Those of you who love to wear red in this day, I have another option for you. This is the Sleek Matte Me Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rioja Red, the perfect red for the day. Thing is, I showed two color in this video and I have another option in a nude version. That lip liner I used, that was kind of peachy pinkish tone, and now I'm showing a brownish nude that is great for medium to deeper skin. That's my skin, medium to deeper. Lakme lip crayon cinnamon brown 09. You guys can definitely try this thing out. This is really budget friendly and I really like this. It's not matte but it's have a beautiful finish and I love this. It will last longly well. সবাইকে নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা রইল। Thank you so much for watching.